to Tero. Tero, ready the ball. Drive, lays up the net for 2 points by Tero. And the score is up 12-10. 2-point lead by Barangay Tres. Sabo, ready the ball. Looking for winning to Gundelas. Shot clock routine, guarded by Dinner Rebel. Gundelas, far score 2. Pero for the rebound, pass to Hoya. Lays up the net for 2 points by Hoya. Sabo, to Gundelas. 3 minutes and 32 seconds. To Bongkang. To Kiran. Drive, lays up the net for 2 points by Dumon. Pero for the rebound to Bandada. Bandada. To Tenerebe. Pass for 3. Gundelas for the rebound. Gundelas holding the ball. Gundelas guarded by Julio. To Sailanda. Drive, no good. Pero for the rebound. Pero holding the ball. And there's the zone. Jersey number 11. Sailanda. And sub. Sailanda first personal foul. And then over the bound to Lazaro. Lazaro leaving the ball guarded by Sanchez to Julio to Tenerebe. Tenerebe guarded by Bukag to Di La Torre. Harsh to good. And sub. And sub. Tenerebe to Tero. Tero dribbling the ball. Drive. Attacking the middle, no good. Gundelas for the rebound. Gundelas. Guarded by Di La Torre. To Gilara. Gilara dribbling the ball guarded by Lazaro. Shot clock for Pino. Gilara. And to shoot. Hearts using the last break for 2 points by Gilara. Pero for the rebound to Lazaro. Lazaro dribbling the ball to Di La Torre. Di La Torre. Back to Lazaro. Lazaro. Hearts for 3. No good. Di La Torre. For the second chance break for 2 points by Di La Torre. Gundelas for the rebound. 1 minute and 50 seconds to jersey number 24. To Sanchez. To Gilara. Shot clock 14. 1 minute and 37 seconds. Remaining time. Gundelas. No good. Tenerebe for the rebound to Di La Torre. Di La Torre moving the ball. Guarded by Sanchez. Di La Torre. Harsh. No good. Jersey number 24 for the rebound to jersey number 10. Gundelas to Sanchez. Harsh for 3. Julio for the rebound. Julio. To Tero. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Remaining time to Di La Torre. Di La Torre. Fake. Side step and bars for 2. No good. Gundelas for the rebound to Sanchez. Sanchez to the 1. Drive. No good. And sub. $57 seconds. Remaining time. 57 seconds. 57 seconds. 55. 10 to shoot. Sanchez, pass for 3. 45 seconds. Tero, there with the ball. Tero. 40 seconds to Lazaro. Lazaro, secure the ball to Arteaga. And using the glass break for 2 points by Arteaga. 30 seconds. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. Shot clock 14. Sanchez, pass for 3. Pero for the rebound, shot clock is 10. and 24 to 0 by Juntilas. And end of the first quarter game between Barangay Tres and Barangay Gateway. And the scores of 18-16, 2-point lead by Barangay Tres. Back to the court for the second quarter game between Barangay Tres and Barangay Recreo. Championship game, game 1. Pero for the bound to Amar. Amar giving the ball to Igay. Back to Amar. Bars for 3. No good. Good Nilas for the rebound. Good Nilas. Using the ball for 2 bars by Sanchez. Pero for the bound to Amar. Amar to Igay. Back to Amar to Tero. Tero to Artaga. Bars for 3. Correct for 3 points by Arzaga. 140 bound to Jesus. Jesus moving the ball to Sanchez. Sanchez moving the ball. Feed out to Jesus. Shot clock for 3. Jesse to 24 to Sanchez. Pass for 3. So good. Igay for the rebound. Igay moving the ball to Amar. Amar moving the ball to Dero. To Arzaga. Arzaga. Pass. So good. Igay is there, correct for 2 points by Igay at James Bigor. And the scores of 21-20, 1 point lead by Barangay Recreo. Jesus. For 3 points by Sanchez. And the scores of 23-21, 2-point lead. And there's a result. It's a traveling violation and stop. Eight minutes and 31 seconds remaining time. 140 bound to Jesus. Jesus to Juntilas. Juntilas taking the ball. There's a pass to Jesus. Using the last minute for 2 points by Jesus. Vargas for the bound to Amar. Amar taking the ball. Looking for opening to Suklan. Suklan, pass for 2. No good. Jesus for the rebound. Jesus bringing the ball. Jesus looking for opening to Juntilas. Juntilas taking the ball. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 10. 10 to shoot. Shot clock 10. Juntilas bringing the ball. There by Vargas. 5 to shoot. Artaga lays up the net for 2 points by Artaga. Jersey number 24. Holding down to Sanchez. To Jesus. To Juntilas. Juntilas bringing the ball. Pass for 2. No good. Igay for the rebound. Igay. To Artaga. Artaga is the plan. And the shot by the line to the two. He's going by Artaga. Pass for 3. Pass by Artaga. Jesus to Sanchez. Pass for 3. Amar going down to Suklan and out of bounds and sub. Gutierrez for the ball to Jesus. Jesus taking the ball. Guarded by Amar. for three. For the second chance. And the shot by Sanchez. Ready to go. Led by Amar to Jesus. Suklan for the ball to Arzaka. Back to Suklan. Suklan to Amar. Amar will be the ball. Led by Sanchez. Looking for a winning shot. Clock 14. To Igay. Back to Amar. And to shoot to Arzaka. Ball's 14. Igay is there for by Igay. Will Sara to Gutierrez to Jesus. Jesus will be the ball. Jersey number 14, Jesus. Sub. First personal foul by Jesus. Amar for rebound to Suklan. Suklan to Arzaka. To Amar. To Igay. To Suklan. Falls. To good. Vargas is there. Good on by Vargas. Duan for rebound to Wilson. Back to Duan. Duan leading the ball. 5 minutes and 30 seconds inside. Shot clock 14. Duan looking for the pass for the line. By Duan. Vargas for the down to Suklan. And there's the result. We'll see for three. Amar first personal foul and sub. Gutierrez for the ball to Sanchez. Sanchez taking the ball. Well by Amar. To Gutierrez. Gutierrez to Wilson. And the shot. Vargas. Secure the ball. To Arzaka. To Suklan. Suklan taking the ball. Well by Gutierrez. Right lays back to the ball. Nice Suklan. Boca for the ball to Sanchez. Sanchez taking the ball. Looking for the out the bounds and timeout. Barangay 3 and remaining time 4 minutes and 29 seconds. 4 minutes and 29 seconds remaining time for the second quarter game. And the scores of 35-30. 5-point lead by Barangay.
Sungguh keren tau. Hindi ka mo gano'n buhay. Sungguh dulu si buhay. Wala na kita ba ano.
Back to the court for the second quarter game between Barangay 3 and Barangay Eritrea. And the scores of 35-30. 4 minutes and 29 seconds remaining time. 4 minutes and 29 seconds. Rock for the bound to Suklan. Back to Amar. Alpaca for three. Alpaca. You'll see the hits. You'll see the hits down right there. Yeah, go with it. Grab it out. Suklan will bring the ball. Looking for the guarded by Sanchez. Suklan. Igay. And to shoot. To Suklan. To Arzaka. To Amar. 8. 5 to shoot. And to 9. Bringing the ball to Suklan. Suklan to Iga Barbas. To Joe. Iga for the rebound. And there's Cesar. Jersey number 15. Sab. Arnadilla, first personal foul. And there's Rizal. Jersey number 15, Canadilla. Second personal foul.
Tapos bulog
Salarga, bulog nila. And there's Rizal. There's number 8, Artanga. First personal foul. And timeout. Barangay replay. And the remaining time 3 minutes and 8 seconds. 3 minutes and 8 seconds. And the scores of 39-30. 9-point lead by Barangay replay. Back to the hard. Good Dilas from the middle line for the first through. Connect for 1 point. Good Dilas for the second through. Ball and play. Complete 2 points by Junilas. 3 minutes and 8 seconds remaining time. Holyo taking the ball. Looking for the green cars for 3. For 3 points by Holyo. Junilas pointing down to Salarga. Taking the ball. Ready by Suklan. Bungkag, shot clock for 3 to Salarga. Cars for 3. Good challenge for the rebound. And the set by Artanga to Suklan. Moving the ball behind. And there's the result. Jersey number 11, Salarga. Second personal foul and sub. Suklan from the free throw line for the first through. Connect for workout. Suklan for the second through. Ball and play. Complete the point by Suklan and sub. Buka holding down to Salarga. Moving the ball to the one. Five for 3. 4 points by the other. Taking it down to Holyo. Dribbling the ball to Suklan. Back to Holyo. Giving the ball. Good Dilas for the rebound. Good Dilas. Giving the ball. Good Dilas. Looking for a 1 minute and 55 seconds. Shot clock for 3 to 21, back to Dinela. Back to shoot, charge for no good. Igay. Using the last break for the ball by Igay. 1 minute and 14 seconds remaining time. San Larta with the ball. Looking for the win. Go back on the ball. No good. Hoya for the rebound. 1 minute and 25 seconds remaining time and stop. Jersey number 11, Salarda. Penalty, Salarda. Second personal foul. Third personal foul by Salarda. Hoyo from the middle line for the second through. Ball leg play. Complete the point by Hoyo.
Megs, kayo Megs.
Dilara Dugugan to Gustavo. Shot clock 14. Gustavo. Out. And out of bounds. 1 minute and 7 seconds. 1 minute and 7 seconds. Dilara heading the ball. Looking for the win. Good one. Shot clock 14, 55 seconds. First ball by Judula. 15 seconds. He left. No good. 14 seconds. Shot clock 10. First ball by Suklan. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. 25. Shot clock 14. 22 seconds remaining time. Shot clock 14. 22 seconds remaining time. Shot clock 14. 22 seconds remaining time. 20. 10 to shoot. Turn around and play 15 seconds. 10. 5. 1.9. 1.9. End of the second quarter game between Barangay Recreo and Barangay Tres. And the score is of 15-37 in favor of Barangay Recreo.
Tubig. Sana ma'am.
Back to the court. For the third quarter game. Jodil Salarda to Gustavo. Back to Gustavo. Jodilas to the one. Pass to Green Woods. Second for the rebound. Pass to Benardo. Safe. Using the last minute for triple. I think they're ready. 1 for the rebound to Gustavo. Gustavo will be the ball. Looking for winning shot clock 14. 21 and there's the result. Jersey number 23. Hilera. First personal foul by Hilera. Salarda for the pound. To Gasapo. Gasapo. Good. Olio for the pound to Suklan. Suklan dribbling the ball. And the set by Hilera. And last touch by Hilera. The one for the pound to Gasapo. Gasapo dribbling the ball to Junilas. Junilas drive. Kick out to Salarda. Salarda. To the one for team to shoot. Nice for three. Tenerebe for the rebound. Tenerebe to Hilera. Hilera to Suklan. Suklan dribbling the ball. Drive. Connect throw to ball. By Suklan. And the one for the ball to Gasapo. Gasapo dribbling the ball. Gasapo on the leader to the one. And last touch by Suklan. Shot clock 14. 14 to shoot. Shot clock 14. 14 to shoot. Shot clock 14. Bungkak to Junilas. What a beautiful pass by Bungkak. And correct for 2 points by Junilas. Olio giving the ball. Pass for 3. No good. He's the guys there. No good. Bungkak running down and there's result. Jersey number 29, Innova, first personal foul in sub. The one for the ball to Tamal Suarez. Tamal Suarez, David ball. To Salarda, pass, no good. Innova for the rebound, pass to Julio. David ball. Right. Very good. Salarda. 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 To Tamal Suarez. Tamal Suarez to Salarda. Salarda. And there's Suzo. Jersey number 91. Julio. First personal foul. And sub. Junilas to Salarda to Tamal Suarez. Pass for 3. 3 points by Tamal Suarez. In the level. 2-0. By Salarda. Salarda to Tamal Suarez. Tamal Suarez taking the ball. To Salarda. Salarda to Junilas. Junilas taking the ball. Very away. Very good. Jersey number 1. Tamal Suarez, first personal foul. Sub. In the Reve to Julio. Julio dribbling the ball, guarded by Tamal Suarez. To Tenerebe. Pass for 3. 3 points by Tenerebe. Tamal Suarez dribbling the ball, looking over to the one. Pass for 3. 3 points by the one. Olio dribbling the ball to Hilera. 2 points by Hilera. Tamal Suarez put the ball to Juan. Pero for the rebound. Pero pass to Julio. 2 points by Julio. Tapos Suarez to Salarda. Shot clock for team to winning. Pero, baby na ball. Tapos Suarez. Pass for team. Suarez. Pero, giving the ball to Julio. Looking for the shot clock for team to Hillera. On the middle, kick out to Julio. Try to shoot to Canada. And stop. Mereka pada di bawah. Suarez to Salarda. And there's Suzal. Offensive foul. Jersey number 11 Salarda. And Salarda. Third personal foul. Pero for the ball to Julio, giving the ball. And the shot by Yukonita. To Jesus. To Tabas Suarez. Good balls by Tabas Suarez. Pero for the down to Julio, giving the ball. Looking for the pin to Terrell. Shot clock for team. Back to Julio, trying to shoot. Trying to shoot. Vargas. Mas berkas, besok kay Julio, taking the ball. To Eagle, pass for good. And sub. The 140 pounds with the ball Suarez. Remaining time 4 minutes. The one, Jurnilas. Giving the ball guarded by Terrell. Shot clock for team. Takes the pass to Wilson. Good. Suarez is there. Good on goal. Jesus Brother connect for 2 points by Jesus. Julio taking the ball. Looking for a win. To Terrell. Right. Good. Dion delivering the ball. Waiting. Finds Jurnilas. Pass. Good. Suarez to Dion, 10 to shoot. To Jurnilas, 5 to shoot. Time out. Barangay Recreo. And remaining time 3 minutes and 1 second. 3 minutes and 1 second remaining time for the third quarter game, and the scores of 63-54 in favor of Barangay Recreo. Back to the court for the third quarter game between Barangay 3 and Barangay Recreo. 30 under championship game. Game 1. Pero for the bound to Suklan. Suklan dribbling the ball. Looking for the guarded by Judilas. Drive, very good. Judilas for the rebound, secure the ball. Judilas for the ball, 21. Juan, drive, using the last minute. And on the rebound to the Rebel. Dribbling the ball. Looking for the name. Judilas. Dribbling the ball. Judilas. And goes Suzanne. Jersey number 10. Judilas' first personal foul. 2 minutes and 19 seconds. 2 minutes and 19 seconds. Judilas. Shot clock 10. Oh yeah, nice go good. And there's Suzo. Sub. One more 30 round to Sublime. Here about a second. Take. Now the one is 30 round to the one. You want to be the ball. What about Sublime? Two Judilas. Nice quick. They did it. They rebound. Take the level. Giving the ball. And Judilas scores. It's now on this time. Jersey number 8, Arcata. Second personal foul by Arcata. 1 minute and 15 seconds remaining time. Juan dribbling the ball. Guarded by Suklan. Juan. Stop. One minute and 2 seconds remaining time. 1 minute and 2 seconds. Suklan moving the ball. Denied. They stand up for the save to Judilas. 55 seconds. 15 seconds. Jersey number 1, Suklan. First personal foul and penalty. 50 seconds. Sub. 50 seconds remaining time. 50 seconds. Judilas on the big right for the second through. Ball and play. In the record for the rebound, take the record. 45 seconds. 40 seconds. Shot clock 14. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. By Judilas. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds by Suklan. 10. 5. And of the third quarter game between Barangay Perez and Barangay Recreo. And the scores of 69, 49, 69, 59 rather. And point lead by Barangay Recreo.
Tubig.
Back to the board for the last and final quarter game between Barangay Tres and Barangay Recreo. 30 under championship game, game 1. And the scores of 69-59, 10-point lead by Barangay Recreo. Tenerife for the bound to Julio. Julio taking the ball to Tenerife. Pass for 3. Junilas for the rebound, Junilas to Gasapo. Gasapo taking the ball. Guarded by Julio. Gasapo to Juan. Pass for 3 on the corner. For good. Tenerife for the rebound to Suklan. To Dilagor. To Suklan. On the middle, good. Junilas for the rebound, Junilas to Salala. Juan dribbling the ball. To Gasapo. Gasapo dribbling the ball. In the way, by Gasapo. And Tenerife dribbling the ball. To Tenerife. Big and shot. To Gudis. Salada for the rebound. Salada. To Juan. Juan to Junilas. Junilas taking the ball, guarded by Tero. Pass for 3. Oh, good. Sublan for the rebound. Sublan taking the ball. Sublan. Pass for good. And there's Susan. Jersey number 20, De La Torre. First personal foul by De La Torre. And sub. Dual body down to Gasapo. Taking the ball. Looking for opening. Gasapo. Guarded by Julio. Shot clock for deep to Junilas. To Diwan. Back to Gasapo. Then to shoot. Gasapo. Turn around. And that's a ball to Julio. Give the ball. That's the ball. One body down to Gasapo. Gasapo. To Junilas. Dribbling the ball. Guarded by Julio. Looking for opening to Gasapo. Moving the ball to Taro. Junilas to Gasapo. To Salada. Dribbling the ball to Gasapo. To the one. Shot clock for 3. Back to Gasapo. Pass for 3. By Gasapo. For 2 points by Junilas. $68 to the 68. 66. Back to shoot. And there's Susan. Jersey number 18, Duwan. First personal foul by Duwan. Hoyer from the center line for the second through. And time out! Barangay, 3 and remaining time, 7 minutes and 12 seconds. 7 minutes and 12 seconds remaining time. And the scores of 73-66. Both teams may dua-dua pa ka timeout. And Junilas taking the ball to Gasapo. Shot clock 14 to Sanchez. Back to Gasapo. 10 to shoot to Junilas. Junilas taking the ball to Sanchez. 5 to shoot. Fires for 3. Pero for the rebound. Pero taking the ball. Pero behind. And there's Suzal. It's a traveling violation. Sanchez going down to the mouse water. To Gasapo rather. To Junilas. To Gasapo. To the one. Back to Gasapo. Gasapo. Pass. Two points. By Gasapo. And then Rebel. Ready the ball. To Gansada. Gansada. And by Gasapo. 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Shot like that. Gansada. Ball for 2 points. And Gansada. Gasapo. Ready the ball to Junilas. Junilas to Sanchez. Back to Junilas. Junilas. To go up. Junilas again. And so down. Jersey number 20, De La Torre. Second personal foul. 5 minutes and 58 seconds. 5 minutes and 58 seconds. Junilas from the big line. There was second through. Ball play. Pero for the rebound, pero to Narendra. To Hoyer. Hoyer, take the ball, wide. By Hoyer. Sanchez to Junilas. Junilas, ready the ball by Hoyer. Shot clock 14 to Gasapo. Fouls 14. Gansada for the rebound. Gansada to De La Torre. De La Torre, ready the ball. Ready by Junilas to Gansada. Shot clock 15. Fouls 14. Gansada. One for the rebound to Gasapo. 5 minutes and 10 seconds in time. To Buka. Fouls 13. By Buka. Gansada. Barangay 3. And real time 4 minutes and 50 seconds. 4 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time for the last and final quarter game. And the scores of 83-71.
Sports car.
Bali, Android lang siya.
And time out! Barangay Recreo. Both teams may isa-isa na lang ka-time out sa liwat. Both teams may isa-isa na lang ka-time out. And the remaining time, 4 minutes and 50 seconds. 4 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time.
Ano, sayang ito tayo bata? Eh, bakit na ako hindi? Kung maglapaw sa... Hindi maglapaw sa last mo. Pakuha nila sa nila.
Gasapo 40 pounds to 1. Back to Gasapo. Gasapo, dribbling ball to the ball. Well, center season. Jersey number 3, Bandada. Second personal foul by Bandada. 4 minutes and 35 seconds. About Suarez, 2 seconds. Pass to 3. Balls by Suarez. Two bilateral. Moving ball. Shot clock 14. Guarded by the 1-2 Pinarello. Head to shoot. Pass to 3. About Suarez 2-1. Holding the ball. Looking dropping into Gasapo. To Boca. On the middle. To Big. Pero for the power rebound. To Pinarello. To Torres. And the shot by Boca. To Sanchez. Dribbling the ball. Guarded by Julio to Gasapo. Shot clock 14. Back to 3. Dribbling the ball. 3 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. Shot clock 14. On the right-hand goal Suzel. Jersey number 16, Gasapo. First personal foul by Gasapo. Dribbling the ball to About Suarez, to Boca. Shot clock 14. 55 seconds. 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Jersey number 24, Pinarello. First personal foul by Pinarello. And Gasapo from the line. Gasapo for the second group. Torres for the rebound to Pinarello. Bandada. Dribbling the ball to Pinarello. Shot clock 15. There's the ball. And it's a traveling violation and stop. Gasapo for the bound to the one. Back to Gasapo. Gasapo. Pass for three. And the score is 3-point lead by Barangay Recreo. So one shot clock for three. Jersey number 18, Dumon. Second personal foul and third foul. 2 minutes and 12 seconds. 2 minutes and 12 seconds remaining time. 2 minutes and 12 seconds remaining time. Pass for two. And time out! Barangay 3, jersey number 18, Duan. Third personal foul by Duan. Barangay 3 sa liwat, Barangay 3 wala na kamubili time out. Barangay 3 sa liwat, wala na bilhin time out. Ang Barangay Recreo may isa pa. Two minutes and 1 seconds remaining time. 2 minutes and 1 seconds. Shot clock 14. Last 2 time to shoot. River River. 5 to shoot. Time to 11. 1 minute and 45 seconds. 2 seconds. Pass for 2. River River. River rebound. River River. Suglan dribbling the ball, 1 minute and 13 seconds remaining time to River. Shot clock 14. And to shoot. It's a traveling violation. 1 minute and 21 seconds. 1 minute and 21 seconds. Good Nilas. Dribbling the ball. 2 seconds. Shot clock 13. One minute and 6 seconds. And timeout. Barangay Recreo. 1 minute and 6 seconds. 1 minute and 6 seconds remaining time. 1 minute and 6 seconds remaining time for the last and final quarter game between Barangay 3 and Barangay Recreo. And the scores of 85-80. 5-point lead by Barangay Recreo. One minute and 6 seconds remaining time. 1 minute and 6 seconds. Both teams wala na bilhin time out. Sa liwat, both teams wala na bilhin time out. 1 minute and 6 seconds remaining time. Suglan dribbling the ball. Good turn. And penalty. Jersey number 18, Duran. Third personal foul by Duran. And Igay from the free line for the first three. Igay for the second three, ball at him. Seconds. Shot clock 14. 45 seconds. 14 seconds. Second personal foul and penalty. Volume, back of the line for the first three. For the second three. 40 seconds.
Tatlo lang nakatres pa lang. Tatlo lang
Volume. 40 seconds. 35. 30 seconds. 25. 20 seconds. Shot clock 14. 15 seconds. 10 to shoot. 10 seconds. 5 to shoot. And congratulations to Barangay Recreo, securing the ball, securing the 1 point. 1 point lead for Barangay West.
Mga kabarangay, may event sulong sa gym. Gun battle, dance showdown. Kagaton nga game 2 sa May 9. Ang game 2 ta sa May 9. Game 2 sa May 9.
Ulang naman ako. Ay, kahon.
Pero kung mag-wali,